You did a fantastic job creating your planets yesterday, Year 1. Today we're going to write some descriptive sentences about the setting that we've created. Our focus is going to be using a wide range of adjectives to help us describe the planet. So I have my ideas from yesterday and I'm going to use these to help me write a sentence. So here I have my ideas. The first thing I need to do is decide which are the most important pieces of information to include in my first sentence. What pieces of information do you think I should include? I'm going to include the name of the planet, its colour, and its size. So I could say the sentence, Zippy is an orange planet and is the size of Jupiter. Let's try that again. Zippy is an orange planet and is the size of Jupiter. So I've included there 3 pieces of information and I use the joining word and. Once I'm confident saying the sentence, I'm ready to write it. Zippy is an orange planet and is the size of Jupiter. So the first word in my sentence is Zippy, which is my planet's name. I'm going to use my plan to help me with that spelling. Notice that I've used a capital letter for the name. Anything that's a name has a capital letter at the beginning. It also needs a capital because it's at the start of the sentence. So, Z, I, P. And in this word, the E sound is with the letter Y. Is. So I need a finger space and the word is. I, S. An. Now we should be able to sound that out. A, N, an. Zippy is an orange planet. So the next word is orange. Now I wrote this word on my plan. Now we can sound out the beginning of this word. A, A, N, J. Now the J sound is something a bit tricky, but we do see it in lots of words. It's when we have a G and an E, and it makes the J sound in this word. So let's write that. A, A, N, J. Planet. Let's sound this out. P, U, A, N, E, T. Planet. P, U, A, N, E, T. Planet. So now I want to add another piece of information and I'm going to connect my ideas with the word and. Zippy is an orange planet and is the size of Jupiter. And I've got my idea Jupiter size there. I've just changed the words slightly so that my sentence makes sense. Zippy is an orange planet and. This word helps us join our ideas together. Is. The, which is a red word. Can you pause the video and talk to your grown-up about how you think you spell the word the? The. Size. So we can sound this one out. We have S, I, Z, size. Now, we know the first letter is S, so we can write that. I. Now, there are a few choices for I, so can you point to which you think I is? So we could have I, fly high. Let's look at the set 3 sounds. Can you spot any I's there? We also have the split special friend, I, nice smile. So with that sound, we would have the I, and the Z would go in between to keep the chatty special friends apart. I, split up the special friend with the Z, S, I, S, size. Of is another red word. Can you tell your grown-up how you think you might spell the word of? We have an R and a F of. It's a bit of a trick. Jupiter. Now I did do this on my plan, but I'm going to have a go at sounding it out. J, U, P, I, T, Jupiter. Now it's the name of a planet, so I actually need to use a capital letter. U. So oo. Now we can spot some oo sounds. Can you spot any oo sounds? Yes, we have oo poo at the zoo. Or ooh huge brute. And it is a variation of ooh huge brute. And instead of the special friends being an and an it is an and a I. And we put the p in the middle, which was why this makes the oo sound. So a bit tricky, but we can practice that more. So we have oo, we put the p in between the and the I. J, oo, p, I, and t, t. I know you can find let's have a look. We have whirl and twirl. Any more here? We have nurse and nurse with a purse, and better letter. In this case, it is better letter. And what do we need to finish our sentence off? A full stop. Excellent. Let's read it to check it makes sense. Zippy is an orange planet and is the size of Jupiter. Full stop, and it makes sense. I could then go back to my plan and I could write lots of different sentences about my planet, describing all the different parts of my planet, what the surface is made out of, how we know that people live there, or any other interesting facts that you can tell me. So I would like you to do the same for your planet. Can you write 2 or 3 descriptive sentences to tell me describing your planet? We need to use capital letters at the start of our sentence, a full stop at the end, and we can join 2 pieces of information together with the conjunction and. Don't forget there will be dojo points for children that try extra hard with their presentation, handwriting and spelling.